So these are all the new working Relica update codes for Digit. Now make sure to follow through the whole video so that you will know what kind of codes there are and how to use them. So the first code that we're going to use is Volcano. Open up shop and then scroll at the very bottom and type in all caps VOLKAYNO, Volcano. Tap on redeem and it's going to give us a 2 XP potion. Next, we're going to use No More Tired, which is NO and then more and then tired. Tap on redeem, we get 5 broken hearts. And then next is Please Fallen Star. So you're going to want to type PLS underscore fallen and underscore star. Tap on redeem, you get 3 fallen stars. The next one is Twitter underscore DIGITRBLX. Twitter digit Roblox. Tap on redeem and then you will get 2 rare magnets. And the last 2 are Please Mole. There we go. Tap on redeem. You get 2 moles and then the last one is Benson within 0. Tap Benz and then 0 and then N and then redeem it and there you go. You get cash. So yeah, those are all the working codes for Digit on Roblox. Make sure you use these codes so that you can get a good advantage and also get a good head start for Digit. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.